Here are 9 questions to ask at a college open house. When you're at an open house, when you're talking to the students, you can get a sense of what a typical day or what a typical week is like. And that's what you're going to be doing when you're a student there. You're going to get a range of answers, and it's just interesting to see whether a student came for a certain program or scholarship or, whatever they fell in love with. I've found a lot of really awesome things that I didn't know about on campus because other people have been surprised by them too. It's just a really good way to get to know the school and get to know what the vibes are on campus. Students are the ones living here, so they obviously have the most experience using those resources. Here at Bucknell, there are so many really cool resources, so you should try and learn as much as you can.
It's important to speak with professors at an open house because you'll get an idea of what the disciplinary culture is, what the department you're looking at is, in particular, the one at the university that you're looking at. An open house is the perfect place to ask what kind of styles of class structure there are so you can really know what to expect when you walk in that first day. There's so many different kinds of research opportunities in each of the disciplines. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professor because you might end up working with that professor if you end up going to that university. Each university setting has a different culture, and that culture might be meet me for a few minutes after class, or even maybe we should go out for a cup of coffee.
You'll see admissions officers all over campus during an open house, and one of the things that we can do is provide you with a multidimensional perspective of the institution. You want to understand as a student how you're going to be evaluated during the review process. What are the aspects of you as a candidate that are going to be important to that admission staff and to that institution? As you start to understand what an institution's looking for and how they're trying to develop their class, it can give you a sense of what in your repertoire can you highlight in your application process to then make you stand out to that institution. You should ask this question because after an open house, you may want to revisit campus to have a more personal experience. At Bucknell, we offer a program called Day in the Life where you actually get to go to classes with our current students, you can have one-on-one meetings with faculty, you can eat in our dining halls, and then you can wrap up by talking to one of the admissions officers. Be sure to take these questions with you to your next open house. And don't forget about our free downloadable with these questions and more at bucknell.edu/openhousetips.